So David showed up in that thing. We were gonna do the Batman silhouette over here, but since he's already wearing the Spartan helmet, we figured might as well. So he's gonna brave it and try to stencil it himself. We're gonna see if he can learn how to cut himself. Not cut himself, cut the wood himself.
Yeah. I know it's my first time, but I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Don't put pressure on the table, you'll move the table.
You see that I'm a lefty, right? So that's the issue right there. So like, there you
go. And the thing is a little harder because this whole off-cut piece is supported by the paint can, so that increases the challenge. But you can't have Russian science without the Russian setups.
See, I'm being precise.
Yeah, precise, all right. Now, the problem is now to try to set it up exactly where it was. Alright, how about this? I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah, but going on now.
Alright.
Let's do this. Do this.
Winter is gone, so I'm gonna hold up on the Batman piece, sand this guy down real quick and paint it, so this way we can get to the US flag part of it before the end of the day, so we want the black to dry well. Some fruits of the labors, halfway through the cooked bacon. You want some?
Yeah, let me get a piece.
I'm gonna paint this. The spray paint looks all janky, so we're actually gonna roll it. And we're rolling it because we're gonna make this giant Batman piece. And I was missing a small roller. I forgot the handle at the gym from my last project. So we're gonna try it this way and see what happens. Obviously these stars are a little too small, sadly, so we're gonna use our own homemade stars. Easy. Just gotta age it now. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but we're gonna darken some of the edges real quick. That might have been a mistake. Alright, there it is. Came out pretty good. I'm not perfectly happy with how the surrounding came out with the spray paint. Should have not used that first paint that I had laying around. I should have stuck with the normal one that I used, not some leftover one. But overall, it's a pretty easy project, and honestly I think it would have looked just fine without even trying to edge it with just the paint straight up, because alright, as I'm shooting this right now as I'm editing the video, because I realized I don't have this bit, and I think it looked perfect before I started goofing around with darkening the edges. I should have just left it alone, but thanks for watching and great success.